After the CPI data, you see the market move upward, and market is at 26.4k right now, and the MACD is still showing that the market is still going to move upward. And on the 4-hour chart here, you see retracement in the market right now. Will market still continue up? That is what I'll be talking about in today's analysis, and also on ETH, ADA, and Matic. Watch this video to the end. If you are new to this channel, please like the video, help subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. On the 1-day chart BTC, if you look at this from this area, and this is a very important support. Not only that, it is a demand zone, because from this area market moves significantly upward before the market come back to the same level. What this means is market is going to move up, then from here market is going to approach this level of resistance, which I talked about in my immediate last video, and that is what I am expecting right now. This market should continue its movement upward. So from here where the market is right now, we should see the market move a little bit up, approaching this level of resistance. Then from here we'll see the market begin to move downward, because every market that impulse must retrace. So for example, market impulse here, retracement, market move down, and then retracement as well. So that is what you need to pay attention to right now on the chart. Market is going to move a little bit up before it will begin to come back down. This is what I am paying attention to on the 1-day chart BTC USDT. And if you look at the MACD have shown a little bit of increase in momentum around this area, but that does not mean that the market is going to just shoot up to this point of important resistance. I am still expecting the market to be resisted at this very point of resistance, and then we're going to see the market come back to the downside on the 1-day chart Bitcoin. And on the 4-hour chart here, we see the market move from here to this level, create a new high, higher than the previous high at this point, and then we see retracement, market continue, retracement in the market right now. I am expecting this retracement to pause within these two zones. So from here, this level of support and this level of support at this point should be where this retracement should come into, and then market will move up again. The only thing we are going to see before we begin to say that the market is going to come back down is a fail swing. So once we see a significant fail swing, that means market will come back down from here and then fail to create a new high, higher than the previous high at this area. If we see that, then that means that the market is going to continue its movement downward again. So this is what you need to pay attention to right now on the chart. Market is still going to move up, but on the immediate short term right now, expect this market to drop into this very zone of support here, will aid the market from this point to turn support before the next move upward. So it will be nice to look for a long or buy position from this very area on the chart. That means don't sell here and don't also buy where the market is right now on the 4-hour chart. And on the 4-hour chart, it's usually the same thing. You see the market have moved all the way from this support to retracement, and then right now market at this level of resistance. What I am expecting on the ETH chart is for the market to break this very level of important resistance right here. This is a critical resistance, and for the market to move up, we will see the market move and break this level. This is what you need to monitor on the ETH chart right here. Market should move up and break this area. If market did not break here, then the market is not going to move upward. Even though the market move a little bit upward and fail to break and create a new high, higher than the previous high at this very point, then there is no need taking a buy position. We want to see the market create a new high first, higher than this very high right here, before you can think of taking a buy position on ETH, because the market can move up a little bit and spike out and begin to move back to the downside in form of a continuation. This is what you need to pay attention to on the ETH chart right now. And right here is an important resistance, like I said. So if this resistance fails to break, then that also means that the market is going to move downwards. So pay attention to this level of resistance. And if the market break on this level of support right here, then that means we are going to see the market continue back to the downside. So this market move down into this level of important support and break on this support zone, then that means market is going to continue its movement into this very zone of support again. This is what your attention should be on the ETH chart. And on other charts have not created any new high. We are still in a downtrend on others. So what you should be doing on other right now is to look for short opportunity instead of buying. Except we break this very zone, then don't take a buy position on ADA. So from this very area, we have a very strong support at this very point. Market should break on this very level of strong resistance. Until we see the market move up and break this level of resistance, ADA is still in a downtrend. So what you should be doing right now is to ensure that the market move upward. This market have capacity of moving to the upside than down. Okay, so market retrace back to the downside, and then we'll see continuation into this very zone. This is what you need to pay attention to on the other chart. So market should break on this very line of resistance. Once you see that breakout, it will mean that the market will continue its movement upward. So pay attention to ADA moving up, and a breakout here is going to send the market back up. And then a breakout on this line of support at this very area is going to send the market down. These are the two areas you need to focus on ADA, USDT, 4-hour chart, and on Matic. If you look at Matic here, Matic move up and it has not created any new high. Okay, because this high is still a little bit higher than this very high. Market have capacity of moving to the upside down, but that does not mean we are in an uptrend. We are seeing a downtrend. Market is going to move down a little bit and then continue upward and then finally come back down on Matic. This is what I am looking out for. Market coming back down. This is a retracement. Remember, market move up, come back down, move up again, and then we are seeing this very retracement. At the end of this retracement, market is going to continue its movement upward, and after that upward movement, market is going to retrace and begin to come back down finally on Matic. This is what you need to pay attention to. And on the immediate short term, market is going to move up from where the market is here and this very zone of support. So from here, expect the market to move up and it's going to create a new high. So this is the best area to buy for scalping long position. So if you want to scalp for a long position, this is the right area to scalp for the market to move up, and stay in the market for few seconds or minutes for the market to come back down again on Matic. So what do you think about the market on the 1-day chart right here? Do you think this market is going to see approach this very level of resistance, or from here market is going to continue its movement to the downside? Comment below in the comment section of this video, and if you are new to this channel, please like the video, help subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.